Ireland abortion ban violated women's human rights, UN panel says. London, Ireland's ban on most abortions subjects women to cruel, degrading and discriminatory treatment, and should be lifted in cases of fatal fetal abnormalities, a committee of United Nations human rights experts said on Thursday. The committee found that Ireland had violated a pregnant woman's human rights by forcing her to choose between carrying her fetus to term, knowing it would not survive, or traveling abroad for an abortion. The committee urged Ireland to change its laws, including, if necessary, its constitution, to allow abortions and to let medical providers give information on abortion services without fearing being subjected to criminal sanctions. Although Ireland became the first nation to legalize same-sex marriage by popular vote last year, it has some deeply conservative roots, and the Roman Catholic Church's stance against abortion has not changed. The case considered by the United Nations panel centered on a Dublin woman, Amanda Millett, who subsequently started an advocacy group urging the legalization of abortion for medical reasons. In November 2011, Ms. Millett, who was then 21 weeks pregnant, learned that her fetus had congenital defects so severe that it would either die in the womb or shortly after birth. Ireland's ban on abortion meant that she had to choose between continuing her non-viable pregnancy or traveling to another country while carrying a dying fetus, at personal expense and separated from the support of her family, and to return while not fully recovered, the committee found. Miss Millett traveled to England for an abortion and returned 12 hours after the procedure, because she could not afford to stay longer, the panel said. More than 3,400 Irish women and girls traveled to England or Wales for abortion services in 2015, according to the British Department of Health. She had to leave the remains of the fetus behind, and the ashes were unexpectedly delivered to her 3 weeks later by courier, according to the United Nations experts. Back in Ireland, Miss Millett was denied the bereavement counseling and medical care available to women who miscarry, the panel found.